So I had somebody yesterday on the channel ask me, how do you remove the vents on the 981 Boxster? And for the hell of me, I couldn't remember, but I finally got another car here. So kind of refreshed my memory. It's actually pretty easy. You just pry them off. I'm gonna try to do one-handed. You pry on the front end, and then all over the sides of that vent there's some pins. So while holding the bottom, sorry, I'm trying to do that one-handed. While you're holding the bottom out, you can just help it out by prying the sides of it, and this is what's gonna get the vent out. You just push it up on the sides a little bit, and it should come out. But sometimes when they're stuck, they're kind of hard to get out. And yeah, here you go. That's the tabs that actually hold it in. All four vents are like that, so just be gentle, be careful whenever you're pulling them out. To push it back in, just line it up, and once you have it lined up, you just push in. There's it's like a locator, like right here, and then you have the bottom one that's locating the bottom section. There you go, that's it.